When a woman truly realizes she lost a high-value man, it hits deeper than most people understand. At first, she may act like it doesn't affect her. Her ego tells her she's fine, that life goes on, and that you were replaceable. But the moment your absence becomes real, everything starts to change. The silence you leave behind begins speaking louder than words ever could. She starts replaying memories, old conversations, moments she once ignored, and suddenly the things she took for granted become impossible to overlook. What once felt ordinary now feels rare. The shock comes first. She never truly believed you would walk away. In her mind, you would always be there. So when reality settles in, she begins questioning everything. She scrolls through old messages, revisits memories, and wonders where things started falling apart. What hurts her most is realizing she may have lost someone who genuinely cared, someone grounded, patient, and real. Then comes the comparison stage. Every new man she meets reminds her of what you were, not because you were perfect, but because certain qualities are difficult to replace. She notices how rare consistency is, how uncommon discipline, calmness, loyalty, and emotional strength truly are. The more she experiences people who lack those traits, the more she understands your value. That's when regret slowly takes over. Not just regret for losing you, but regret for how she handled someone who brought stability and sincerity into her life. She begins reflecting on the moments she was dismissive, emotionally distant, or too prideful to appreciate what she had. And the painful part is this: hindsight gives clarity too late. She starts realizing it wasn't one big mistake that pushed you away. It was the small things, the lack of appreciation, the moments where ego mattered more than understanding. And now she has to sit with the consequences of those choices. As time passes, the desire to reconnect begins growing inside her. She wants to hear your voice again. She wants another chance to fix what was broken, because now she understands the role you played in her life. You made her feel safe, valued, understood. And once that feeling disappears, the emptiness becomes impossible to ignore. The hardest part for her is realizing that by the time she fully understands your worth, you may already be gone for good. You've healed. You've grown. You've moved forward without her. And that realization becomes its own kind of pain. Even after acceptance, reminders of you remain everywhere. A song, a place, a scent, a random memory in the middle of the night. Small things that suddenly carry emotional weight. Those reminders force her to confront the truth that what you shared was meaningful and not easily replaced. Eventually, she reaches acceptance, not because the feelings disappear, but because she understands she cannot undo the past. And through that acceptance comes growth. She begins seeing relationships differently. She starts valuing loyalty, emotional maturity, and genuine connection in a way she never did before. But one thing stays with her. She remembers you as the man who taught her the value of something rare, the man she thought she could lose and easily replace, until life showed her otherwise. Because losing a high-value man is not just losing a relationship. Sometimes it's losing the one person who brought out the best version of who she could have become.